Greetings, Chris Viola here with another edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog. Last 3 weeks we've covered AI tools for music. After we covered AI tools for generating words like ChatGPT and the Google Bard tool. And we covered before that AI tools for generating graphics like Midjourney and DALL-E. The music tools were, in a word, not ready for prime time. And after doing 3 on them, just to kind of give you a flavor of a couple of different packages and what they were capable of and trying to create a little bumper for a vlog, I said that we would be done with those. But I also mentioned at the end there that you'd probably be better off with some of the absolutely fantastic music generating software that's out on the market. Coincidentally, right after I recorded that, Humble Bundle put a group together of the, what is it called here? Mixcraft 9 package with about 45, I think, boxes of loops attached to it. Mixcraft on its own comes with over 2,000 loops, plus the ability to record you playing musical instruments or singing. I promise right now I shall not sing. No one wants to hear that. And the ability to mix in MIDI and even turn your keyboard into a keyboard, as it were, and to type notes that come out as different virtual instruments. Yes, a piano or a synthesizer, but also saxophone or some other woodwinds or whatever you like. So there's a lot of power there, but we are not going to cover that part. We're going to try to do the same sort of thing that we did with the AI, which is to simply have a non-musical person throw together some sounds and come up with something usable, quick and dirty. I'll put a link to the Humble Bundle music bundle underneath this. You can pay as little as $25 for $1,300 worth of music software. I went ahead and bought it. No, I don't get a commission out of that. It's just a really good deal, and I like the software. Frankly, this is much, much, much better than anything that I've seen on the music AI side. That stuff was just frustrating. So let's take a quick look at this. We'll start by creating a new project. And the new project settings, you can start. We're not going to do a video track. I'm going to keep this very simple. Virtual instrument tracks, I'm just going to leave it at 1 now because it will, Mixcraft will add it in more as we do it. And you can also do audio tracks. So if you wanted to create an 8-track recording of you singing your guitar, your lead guitar, your rhythm guitar, your mandolin playing, and then add in loops for bass and drums, this will do that for you. It's really, really a powerful tool, and there's a lot here, a lot more that we're going to cover. We're simply going to do the loops. So we're going to say OK, and then we're going to come down here and we're going to go to the library. Now, in the library, I'm going to pull my head out of the way here so you can see a little better. We've got this set. You can sort by a number of different things. I like to sort by song kit. And then you can go down here, and this is kind of what we were talking about the last few weeks. 60s protest rock. So let's do a 60s protest rock drum beat. Or 70s funk. And let's again try a 70s funk drum beat. That's pretty funky. I like these. 80s big hair metal, but there's lots here. Alternative hip hop, ambient chill out. There's just tons and tons of different possibilities here. So let's, for example, take a look at a blues bass. Not only do they have a blues bass that you can put in here as a loop, let's just drag it in. And you see a couple things here. One is that if it's in a different key or a different tempo, Mixcraft will deal with that for you. But we can not only put in that bass piece here, you can see how it's up this long, but we can then drag in this second one and add it afterwards. So now we have, let's see, didn't do what I wanted it to do. I wanted to, I guess I didn't, it's my fault because I didn't move things. I want to put the bass 2 over here. There we go. And now, all we did was add bass 1 and bass 2. So let's go real quick here. Let's see. Let's add drums. And you can just drag these things to make them longer. It would help if I remember to click here. Let's and you can just drag them if you want to. Make it as long as you want. But I'm just going to end up quickly here. So I'm going to add a piano. There. Add the piano in the beginning if you will. There. I'm supposed to be able to just drag this down in here, but it's not cooperating. Anyway. It's not much of a song, but it is a song. Now, there's obviously other things that have to do there. You have to mix the levels and all the rest of that. But this is already up past my 5-minute marker, so let's call it a week. And I'm going to create a little music for vlogging too in next week's edition. So feel out. Have a great day.